Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen of the jury. Before we begin our presentation, let us present one quote. Great learning is so futile if the product is unhealthy and soul and not healthy in body. Mr. Jokowi. Introduce, I am Solika Nurfajariada.
And me, Dakwan Solon Arahap.
We
We
are
are
from
from
PK
PK
Instan.
Instan.
We'll begin the presentation as the International Student Competition rating Bangka Belitung 20 and 24 under the title camp Community and Adventure for Mindful Participation program for maintaining students' mental health based on Betawi tradition bikin rumah in realize SDG 3.
Next.
Okay, introduce the mental health is the third SDG, we say healthy and prosperous life. One of the mental health problem of the teenagers is student burnout on campus. Camp, community, and adventure for mindful participation aims to overcome the problem of burnout in teenagers that adopted from Betawi custom bikin rumi.
Next. Camp program mechanisms. First, the camp program was attended by around 20 students who were divided into 4 groups, with each group containing 4 students. Next, this camp will be held for 3 days, namely Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Next, each main activity is carried one activity per day, namely self-help group, recreation group, and recreation skill. The camp that we want to hold is a camp in nature, like camps in general. For example, the camp location for students in Tangerang will be held at Kitri Bakri Campground.
Okay, the relevance of bikin rumi with the camp program. Bikin is carried out when the Betawi people are about inaugurate their new house and move into the house, which is accompanied by a recitation event and the distribution of the traditional food and walk together towards their new house and chat with each other. The adoption of Bikin Rume in camp program is divided into three aspects, namely communication, number two, giving gifts, and number three, doing activities together. The reason for choosing the Bikin Rume custom is because this South Tangerang custom is unique in the form of an activity that embraces the value together and mutual cooperation to help for members.
Next, self-help group. So this activity was inspired by the custom of Bikirume, which is characterized by communication between Betawi communities to achieve joint activities, which in this case is moving to a new house. The self-help group activities emphasize group of students telling each other about the difficulties they are facing, including in the academic field. After telling each other stories, the students will try to give advice to each other's problem. So this activity is guided by a psychology for each group, whose aim is to maintain the conducive of the activity and guide it so that the aim of the activity in the form of creating solutions to problems and preventing burnout in students can be achieved. It is hoped that with relative small number of group members, namely only 5 people, can support more open and focused group discussion between members. Next.
Recreation group. During the Bikin Rume custom, the people usually walk around the village together to move from their old house to a new house. During this process, the Betawi people will explore and monitor the condition of their village so that village order can be maintained. The recreation group adopts this value by focusing activities on exploring the environment around the camp location by students together. Students are expected to develop a caring attitude towards the surrounding environment while developing their social spirit. This activity helps students to keep their mind clear so they can overcome the problem they face well. This is accordance with research in Rahmawati 2019, which states that negative emotion such as tension, anger, fatigue, and anxiety after visit nature can be reduced.
Next, recreation skill. This activity adopts the Betawi traditional values of Bikerume, which involves giving each other typical Betawi food between communities during the process of moving house. So this activity of giving each other food can increase the spirit of brotherhood between communities and foster an attitude of togetherness. As for recreation skill activities, students will play several games prepared by the camp community in groups. One winning group will be given the main prize, and three losing groups will be given appreciation prize provided by the committee. The main prize is typical Betawi clothing, namely pangsi Betawi as well as the typical Betawi food, soto and egg crust. Meanwhile, the losing group only received an appreciation prize in the form of the typical Betawi soto and egg crust. It is hoped that this activity can foster trust between students who are camp participants and the camp committee so that the series of camp activities can run smoothly.
And then next is SWOT analysis. The first is strengths. The strength is the advantage of the 3-day camp program is that it increases relationship because the program is open to all students, so participants will gain more relationship. Second, participants will gain various new experience which will steadily be useful for everyday life. Then second is weakness. The weakness is the downside of this program that is take a lot of time. Even though it takes a lot of time, participants will get experience that is worth the time spent. And then next, this program is can be influenced by the weather, which can result in this even not being. And then the next is opportunity. Camping has a large market share among young people. The many camping trends on social media will make young people interested in this program. We see that this camp program will be popular with young people so that in the future this program will spread widely throughout in Indonesia. And then last is threats. The obstacle in this program is choosing a place where there are areas that do not have campsites. There are far from urban areas such as Jakarta.
Next, space analysis. First, politics. Camp program will invite educational institutions to work together, so indirectly relate with government. Next, economy. Camp program needs supply goods, clothing, and typical Betawi food for the price so that can advance economic activities. Next, social. Camp program can indirectly promote the importance of mental health and Betawi traditions to the community. And then technology. Camp program is pioneer new innovation in camps activities. So this is the end of our presentation. We would like to summarize by saying, first, the camp program aims to maintain students' mental health from the threat of burnout due to the lecture load by adopting the Betawi traditional values of bikin rumah in the camping activities carried out. Two, in its implementation, the camp program requires collaboration with educational institutions in the form of universities.
Okay, thank you to all of you for listening to our presentation.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.